Barth from Rice Military has a question about carpentry advice.
You know where that is, Rice Military? It's right over next to
I built a
Memorial
home
Park.
there.
Okay, that's
and my
it.
friend Paul Titterington lives down in there. So I know a lot of people.
So I guess the short answer would be yes.
Yes, I do.
Right. Well, he has a 3-story town, one of those box houses.
I built one.
Right. Yeah, I remember.
I built two.
That's right. I remember visiting you when you did that. So, but anyway, Barth writes.
That's right, you did.
On the back wall, covered with Hardy, there is this eave. He sent a picture of this bad boy to us. There's this eave that comes out. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right, and there's sheetrock on the bottom of it, and it's got metal on the top, and there's angle iron supports from the wall to the roof of it, providing support. You get the picture?
I got the picture.
Well, it turns out that rain has penetrated at the bolted angle iron support, damaging the corner of the eave box, the thing that sticks out. So Barth wants to know, he's clear that this is beyond his capability, and he wants to know who can tackle this and what's going to be done to fix this. How are you going to go about this?
I don't know what's going to be done because I'm not digging into it. You know, I always say you stick your finger in it and figure out what's going on.
Right.
I can't do that. But Ideal Roofing, they can rebuild the whole top and make it a real roof. Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So it's a roofing project, really?
It is definitely a roofing project.
Because you look at this thing and what it is, basically just a little roof.
No, I understand.
That sticks
They're
out.
a little box office.
But you're going in a totally different direction. I thought you were going to go with this.
Where do you think I was going to go?
Oh, I thought you were going to be Rudy or maybe...
They got to stop the leak. A leak is a roofing issue, and that's where it's coming from. And it's going to be a flashing detail across the top of that box soffit. That means custom metal. That means Ideal Roofing. Yep. Mm-hmm. Once that's done, you can call Rudy to, paint it or do whatever you have to do. But it's a roofing issue. So sorry.
No, I feel like
you seem disappointed.
Well, I am because I thought I knew who the murderer was, but it's like when you're watching a Poirot mystery and you get to the end of it. Oh, that guy! I didn't even think of that guy. All right, kids. He's an expert on home improvements, and he's here to help
TV.
You. Go ahead and visit our website at HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button, send it on in, and he'll answer it about home improvements. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.